Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the battery type and ratings so you match the DC supply correctly. Set the power supply voltage to the battery nominal voltage and limit current to a safe value, typically 0. 1C for lead acid or follow manufacturer spec. Connect the supply leads to the battery clamps, red to positive, black to negative. Make sure connections are tight. Once done, enable the supply in constant current mode and watch for immediate heating or abnormal smells. Stop if you detect either. You continue by observing the charge curve. During the initial phase, keep constant current and watch voltage rise steadily. Once voltage reaches the target float or full charge threshold, switch to constant voltage and allow current to taper naturally. Make sure to monitor temperature. A rise above safe limits means reduce current or stop. Keep an eye on meter readings and record voltage and current every 10 to 15 minutes so you can spot trends. If cells equalize unevenly, consider balancing measures. You finish by stopping the charge when current tapers to the manufacturer's cutoff, often around C/20, or when the specified float voltage is held for the recommended time. Turn off the supply, remove clamps negative first, and allow the battery to sit and cool before testing open circuit voltage to verify charge. If the battery overheats, emits gas, or voltage collapses after disconnect, immediately inspect terminal connections. Test individual cell voltages, and avoid recharging until the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.